Trigonometry table. Is remembering trigonometric table hard? Let's make it easy. We'll write down the degrees: 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. Now we'll give this degree numbering like 0 degree with 0, 30 degree with 1, 45 with 2, 60 with 3, and 90 with 4. Then we'll divide the numbering by 4, that is 0 upon 4, 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4, and 4 upon 4. Now we'll take square roots of the numbers, that is square root of 0 upon 4, square root of 1 upon 4, and so on till square root of 4 upon 4. Simplifying this, we will get 0 upon anything is 0, so 0. 1 upon square root of 4 will be 1 upon 2. 2 upon 4 will be 1 upon 2. That will be 1 upon square root of 2. Square root of 3 upon 2. And 4 will get cancel. We will get 1. These values which we have got are the values of sine theta. Now for cos theta, we will write the same values in reverse order. That is, cos 90 will be 0, cos 60 will be 1 upon 2, cos 45 1 upon root 2, cos 30 root 3 upon 2, and cos 0 as 1. Tan theta. Tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. So we will take the values of sine and cos. Sin 0 is 0 and cos 0 is 1. 0 upon anything is 0. Therefore tan theta will be 0. Sin 30 is 1 upon 2 and cos 30 is root 3 upon 2. So tan 30 will be 1 upon 2 divided by root 3 upon 2. That is 1 into 2 upon root 3 into 2. 2 will get cancelled and we will get 1 upon root 3. Therefore tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. Now sin 45 is 1 upon root 2. Cos 45 is also 1 upon root 2. Dividing both the values, we will get it 1. Root 2 get cancels and we get 1. Tan 45 is 1. Sin 60 is root 3 upon 2. Cos 60 is 1 upon 2. Simplifying this, we get tan 60 as root 3. Sin 90 is 1. Cos 90 is 0. Tan 90 will be 1 upon 0. But denominator is 0. We know denominator can never be 0. So tan 90, that is 1 upon 0, cannot be defined. This value is known as not defined. Tan 90 is not defined. So we'll write it in table form. Tan 0 is 0, tan 30 is 1 upon root 3, tan 45 is 1, tan 60 is root 3, and tan 90 is not defined. Now for cot, we need to write the tan values in reverse order. That is, cot 0 is not defined, cot 30 is root 3, cot 45 is 1, cot 60 is 1 upon root 3, and cot 90 is 0. Cosec is 1 upon sine. Let's see the values. Sin 0 is 0, therefore cosec 0 will be 1 upon 0, which is not defined. Sin 30 is 1 upon 2, therefore cosec 30 will be 2 upon 1, that will be 2. Sin 45 is 1 upon root 2, therefore cosec 45 will be root 2 upon 1, that is root 2. Sin 60 is root 3 upon 2, therefore cosec 60 equal to root 2 upon root 3. Sin 90 is 1, Therefore, cosec 90 will also be 1. Cosec 0 is not defined. 30 is 2, 45 is root 2, 60 is 2 upon root 3 and 90 is 1. Sec theta will write cosec in reverse order. 90 will be not defined, 60 will be 2, 45 will be root 2, 30 will be 2 upon root 3 and 0 will be 1. So this is how we can write the trigonometry table in easy way. So no need to by heart entire table, just give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4 to the angles, divide them by 4, take them under square root, you will get the values of sine theta. That values we can use to find other trigonometry values. This is remember trigonometry table. Hope you liked it.